Hello everyone. My name is Alice. Today, I will tell you about my daily routine. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand me easily. You will learn useful words and phrases for daily life. This video is a great way to practice your English listening and speaking. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Sometimes I want more sleep. My alarm rings. I turn it off. I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I go to the kitchen. Sometimes I eat cereal with milk. Sometimes I eat toast with butter and eggs. I drink tea or juice. While eating, I listen to music. After breakfast, I go back to my room. I wear jeans and a shirt. I brush my hair. I check my bag and my phone. Then, I start my day. I leave my house. I walk to the bus stop. The air is fresh and cool. I wait for the bus. I see people around me. Some are going to school. Some are going to the office. Everyone looks busy. The bus arrives. I get on the bus. I find a seat. I put on my earphones. I listen to music. I look outside the window. I see cars, shops, and people on the street. The bus takes me to the city. I get off near my office. I walk to the building. I smile and say hello to my coworkers. I start my work. I read emails. I write reports. I talk to clients. I join meetings. Sometimes I feel busy. Sometimes I feel relaxed. I work until lunchtime. It is lunchtime. I feel hungry. I save my work and leave my desk. I walk to the cafe with my coworkers. We find a table and sit down together. A waiter comes to take our order. Today, I order a sandwich and fresh juice. My coworkers order pasta and salad. While we wait for the food, we talk and laugh. We talk about our work. We talk about money and dreams for the future. We also talk about our families and weekend plans. The food arrives. We enjoy our lunch and our conversation. I drink my juice slowly. I feel relaxed and happy. After lunch, we thank the waiter and leave the cafe. We walk back to the office together. We return to the office. I sit at my desk again. I feel fresh after lunch. Now, I can focus completely on my work. I check my emails. I finish my reports. I make some phone calls. I join a short meeting with my team. The afternoon goes by quickly. At 5 o'clock, I save my work and turn off my computer. It is time to go home. Work is finished and I step outside. The streets are quiet now and the air feels cooler. I walk to the bus stop. I sit down on the bus, take out my phone, and check my messages. Then, I put on my earphones and play my favorite music. I watch the city pass by, through the window. When I get home, the first thing I do is change into my favorite hoodie and comfy pants. They're soft, warm, and make me feel fresh after a long day. Then, I sit in the living room and turn on the TV. Sometimes, I watch a short show. Other times, I stretch my legs, take a deep breath, and pick up a book. I read a few pages, feeling calm and comfortable. That's my truly peaceful moment, my quiet me time. I go to the kitchen to make dinner. I turn on my favorite music playlist, soft, slow songs that match the calm evening mood. The music plays in the background while I cook. I chop some vegetables, stir the pan, and let the delicious smell fill the kitchen. Sometimes, I make pasta. Sometimes, I cook rice with vegetables or chicken. When the food is ready, I set the table. I sit down, take a deep breath, and enjoy my meal slowly. I like to taste every bite without rushing. The music is still playing softly, and it makes the moment feel even more peaceful. Dinner is my time to enjoy good food, good music, and a quiet mind. After I finish my dinner, I take my plate to the kitchen. The music is still playing softly in the background, so I keep it on while I wash the dishes. I like this moment, the warm water, the clean plates, and the calm songs make it feel peaceful. When the dishes are done, I dry my hands and head to the living room. I sit down on the sofa, pick up the remote, and turn on the TV. Tonight, I choose a movie to watch. I curl up in my seat, sip a little water, and let the story on the screen take me away. The lights are low, the room is quiet, and I feel completely relaxed. It's my favorite way to end the evening before bed. Before going to bed, I walk to the bathroom and brush my teeth. Then, I go to my room. I close the curtains, but I leave the window slightly open for fresh air. I sit down on my bed and take a moment to relax. The room is quiet, and the cool night air comes in through the open window. I close my eyes for a few seconds and breathe deeply. Then, I start thinking about my day. I ask myself, what made me happy today? One or two special moments come to mind. I feel grateful for them. A small smile appears on my face as I realize how lucky I am for these simple things. Finally, I lie down, pull the blanket over me, and let my body rest. With happy thoughts in my mind, I close my eyes and slowly drift off to sleep. And that is my day.